Hey, this is Jamie, brand ambassador for Pretty Yapida, also known as Uncommon Edge on Instagram. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Fit-me tips from Jello Jello for extension. So first we buff the nails and now we're applying the Jello Jello base coat and curing it. Then we're going to use this special tip-off gel, also from Jello Jello, and there you see me placing a little lamp to secure the tips in place. Then you're gonna pick a tip, and this is very important that it fits very well. So you're gonna look that it fits side to side, true to your nail. Okay, then you're gonna take this gel and you're gonna put it in the tip, not too much, and only go to where you really want to extend your own nail. I do like a little slip layer and then a little bead of gel, and I try to level it a little bit so that the extension also is quite strong. Okay, once you have your desired shape, you turn on the little lamp you have. I have the small one. And you're gonna put it on. Make sure that there are no air bubbles or anything or gaps. It really connects well to your own nail, and also make sure it's very straight because otherwise the extension is not gonna be straight. Then you're gonna flash cure it on the top, and then you cure it fully in the lamp. Once it's out, it looks like this. A little bit strange at first, but now we're gonna peel off the tip. Be very careful with this. Normally, it should come off quite easily, but just make sure not to damage your own nail. And then I'm gonna file the nail extension to the desired shape that I want, and I'm also gonna buff it so that there is no really thick difference between the extension and my own nail. So now I'm gonna wipe it off. I just do this with some alcohol cleanser, and then with the same tip of gel, I'm gonna do like overlay. So first slip layer, and then placing little beads and building up the apex of the nail. So here you see me taking a little bit more, putting it there in the middle almost, and then I'm gonna guide the product so that I create a smooth surface. I also turn it upside down to let gravity help me create a nice apex, and then I'm also gonna guide it a little bit with a liner brush. Make sure you also take the sides and that there again are no gaps or air bubbles, because otherwise you could get greenies and we don't want that. Then you're just also gonna cure, and this is what it looks like when you made the extension. And now I'm gonna show you really fast how I do it again on another nail. This method is really easy if you have someone who wants to go from round nails to really crisp square nails, or someone who have very short square nails to round nails. Here you see I have filed them all, I did them all, and now you can just continue with your design or just put on your desired polish of choice. I decided to go with just a milky white color because it was all the rage last summer and I'm still not over it. And I put a little chrome top coat over it. So pretty. What do you think of this? And show me if you try.